Welcome to the CryptoNest. All right, so for Cardano, let me put the 1 hour chart. So did we actually get to finalize this bigger wave 2? We shall see. It did react within the zone. It was even a little bit below the 0.76, but that's okay. Managed to break out from this really long term, well, mid-term. Let me go on the 4 hours. So we had a downtrend here, and we looks like it's attempting to manage to break out for good. So that's good. Now we have a possible, I'm not sure if I can count these 5 waves. I would say more it's an A, B, C, but we shall see. I count this anyway as a wave 1. We had many things. We had the previous resistance here, all right? And we have the MA55 act as a resistance as well. Now, is this the bottom? Honestly, I do believe this is just the A. We are working on the B now and possibly going to go and make a new higher low though, but possibly going a little bit lower for this wave 2. I'm going to add some room now. And once again, if I zoom in, let me see what's the resistance. So from the top to the bottom, there you go, perfectly. 0.5 fib retracement, 41 cents. For the moment, this is where we are now. Now the question is, are we going to get rejected or not? Are we going to pursue this direction and go higher and push higher? Well, we have 0.618 and 0.786. And we do have the MA55 also that could act once again as a resistance. And so, yeah, for the moment, I'm still looking at this as an A, this a possible B, and a C still to come. Let me move it a little bit more on the right side. Okay, so yeah, this is what I'm looking now. Can we push higher? Definitely yes. After that, we will see if we can go higher than the 0.786. Maybe it's going to do something more bullish. Maybe this was it because it's so bullish. This is a 1-2 and now skyrocketing. I know there is some momentum talking about Cardano being in some ETFs. So, and I know our big players now are stepping in Cardano ADA, so we shall see. Maybe this is what's happening now. I don't know. I'm like you, right? I look at the chart, I see a nice push here and a nice push here, but we shall see if price can break the resistance and push higher. All right, so for the moment, this is pretty much all I can say about Cardano. We are not oversold, so we have so much fuel that Cardano can push way higher and actually can manage to go higher and reach honestly 50 cents. No problem. Now, do we want to dream a little bit? Let's do it. So this is in a case of Cardano very bullish, and this is our wave 1. And in a case that this was our wave 2, which honestly I don't believe, but I can be wrong. So what would be the target for this third wave? Well, 56.7 cents would be the next target, a possible target for this third wave. And we do have the MA, I think 200 here. Let me double check. Yeah, MA 200. So that could act as a resistance. And after that, we can have a 4 and a 5th. But this is a little bit of a romance for the moment. We don't know. Let's see, first of all, if we can break this resistance. And it looks like it's, since I'm talking, it did go a little bit higher. So, well, that's great news. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And have a good day. Bye.